appetizers, or even just a really great dip for vegetables, maybe a pita bread. It's a white bean. So I've got cannellini beans, lemon juice, garlic, and fresh rosemary with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. It's that simple. I've already got my garlic in the food processor. I've ground it up. I'm going to add my white beans. And you know, this makes a pretty small recipe. If you love this, add 2-3 cans of beans and just, you know, proportionately increase all of your ingredients. I've already hand chopped my rosemary. If rosemary isn't your favorite flavor, it might be something that you can start with a small amount and increase as you go. What's super important about this recipe is that you do use the lemon. And I just made a mistake. I should have zested my lemon before I cut it in half, because it's definitely easier to do it that way. And what you're going to find is that you're seeing a lot of juice coming out of this lemon, and that's not normal, and it's steaming because I put it in the microwave. And the microwave allows all those juices to come out, because it's what didn't seem like a very juicy lemon. So throwing it in there for 20-30 seconds. Then if you have a juicer, you're certainly welcome to do that. What I like to do, because it's so soft from putting it in the microwave, I just put a fork in, kind of move it around, and you can see all the juice that came out of that. And if I hadn't used the microwave, I probably wouldn't be getting that same juice coming out of that one little lemon. Salt and pepper. And one thing, be careful with the salt. Your canned beans, which is what we've used, has quite a bit of sodium, and the lemon juice kind of replaces any need for additional salt. So season as you go. This is going to be a little bit loud. We're going to mix this up to a certain point. Stop the food processor. And then I am going to slowly drizzle in some olive oil as the beans start to process. Doesn't take a whole lot. If you're really trying to cut calories and, you know, just be aware of the oils that you're ingesting, you can always add a little bit of water. But make sure you put in a good olive oil, because a lot of flavor is added from that. And you can just see it's just creamy and yummy.
Want the recipe?
Like the video.
And then subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then click Get the Recipe.
And we will email it off to you immediately.
Sante!